If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. Shemai, this is a tutorial for Count on Me by Bruno Mars, and it goes with my ukulele play along video on my Ukulaliens channel. So, Count on Me. This is for the pupils in school in the Ukulaliens club because they've been nagging me to do it. I'll go through the chords and I'll go through some suggested strumming patterns. I'm trying out this new format. I'm having trouble with green screen at the minute, and I thought, well, if this works, I can go down this route. So, Count on Me, a relatively straightforward song. So we'll start with the chords. This is not the order they're in the song. We'll look at that in a minute. So the first chord, 2nd fret on the G string. I tend to use my middle finger. So A minor should sound okay. Then another nice easy one, C chord. So ring finger or 3rd finger, 3rd fret on the A string. So D minor, if you haven't done it before, think of F. So you're going to put your 1st finger, 1st fret on the E string. Your middle finger goes across where you'd play it on an F. So it'd be 2nd fret on the G string. And then you're going to tuck your ring finger in behind. Still 2nd fret on the C string. So D minor should sound like this. Play each note separately to make sure they're sounding nice. If they're not, make sure you're pressing your fingers down hard enough. The next chord, E minor. So it's 1st finger goes on your 2nd fret on the A string. Your middle finger goes 3rd fret on the E string. And then your ring finger goes 4th fret on the C string. So your E minor should sound again. Make sure each string is sounding nice, and I have done a tutorial on how to play E minor. Okay, 2 more chords. F, 1st finger, 1st fret on the E string, and then your middle finger across, 2nd fret on the G string, so F. And then G, it's going to be your 1st finger goes onto the 2nd fret on the C string. Your ring finger goes onto the 3rd fret on the E string, and then your middle finger goes onto the 2nd fret on the A string. And again, here's your G. All right, so they are a nice set of chords. Strum patterns, I have put them on the play along to start off. There are 2 that work particularly well, but as always, it's entirely up to you. I only suggest strum patterns, so if something else works for you, brilliant. So the first one, down, 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 up, down, up. Just to give you an idea with some of the chords from the song. So, first C, it's twice, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. And it does work with a bit of a swing, if I'm honest. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. 2 on E minor. 1 on the A minor. 1 on the G. And then back to 2 of the pattern on the F. Okay, it also works perfectly well with the island strum. Again, if it says ×2 at the top, it's 2 times that pattern, so it would go something like this. Twice on the C, E minor, A minor once, G, just the once, and then back to F. and so on. So as I said, it really is up to you. If you want to change the strumming pattern, I often find when I'm playing songs, I end up doing a complete mixture anyway. And just to give you an example, I'm just going to go back and forth between those strum patterns. If you actually watch my right hand, it doesn't really change. It looks like I'm doing exactly the same, but obviously I am slightly changing the strumming pattern. My hand is literally just going like that. I'm no singer. Honestly, the best thing you can do is go and play along on the Ukulaliens channel, but I'll just run through a couple of the little segments just to give you an idea of what they should sound like. If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. One strum there, and that happens a couple of times throughout the song. So as I said, it's much more fun playing along with the proper song on the Ukulaliens channel. So go and practice to the play along for Count on Me. So I do hope that has helped. I'll see how this new format, whether it works or not. But as always, if you do have a comment or a question, please feel free, leave it below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.